2018 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, remote engine start, power passenger seat, traction control, lane departure warning, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.